Today I want to show you my old stuff. This is the stereo cassette deck. It's already in my personal museum. I can't remember when I bought it, but it must be sometime around 1990. The model number is TCWR 520. And this is the device. It's basically double cassette deck with two reverse player, and this is not very usual at that time. Most of the devices have only one reverse player, and at the back is actually nothing fancy. It's just the audio in and out. The interesting part of older devices, you can see you have all the buttons here. If you buy a new DVD player nowadays, there's no button at all. Everything went through the remote control. This one didn't come with remote control, but you can see it's there's an infrared radio. So basically, if you have a Sony amplifier, then you can use that remote control to control your cassette deck as well. So this is the instruction. Actually, I can't really remember whether there was a remote control, but you can see there's no remote control mentioned in the manual. The only thing I need to do is now I have to try it. I haven't turned it on for over 20 years now. Good luck to myself. Okay, now is the moment of truth. Let's start it with the power button here. Oh, that sounds really bad. Okay. Something is not quite right. Okay, I have to open it and have a look. Okay, now I have to open it to have a look. And I already ordered some rubber belt from eBay. Hopefully I can get it to work again. And as you can see, that's quite standard. Two screws on each side, and I just need to open it now. Okay, it's interesting. You can see that inside, and I need to turn it on and see what is not running. So you can see the motor here, and here is a rubber belt. I just touch it and you can see it's already melted. I think there are a lot to do. I need to open the entire thing and replace the belt if I can. Here I can see there's one piece of the rubber belt falling here, and when I touch it, it's broken into two. Look, there's one more piece here. I don't think I can. And here I can see a piece of rubber hanging there. Yeah. And I think it's melted as well. Maybe it's better to sell it as part to someone has the skill to fix it, and also has the passion fixing those old things. So before I put it to rest in peace, I just want to give you a closer look of my device. This is the model number, and here you can see it's auto reverse with two motors, and this is stack B, and you can play either direction without turning around the cassette, and on both stacks are auto reverse. And here there's a switch for the mode. You can put it, this one is auto reverse, the left hand side one is just the normal one, will stop after playing one side. And this is the interesting part, we play, and basically it will auto reverse one deck after playing two sides of the cassette of one deck, and then it will play the other one and play two sides of this deck, and then it will go back to the other one. And the interesting part is why one deck is not in playing mode. You can replace it with other cassette and so on. So, but after 5 cycles, then it will stop automatically. So this is the video about my museum piece of Sony stereo cassette deck. I feel really sad that I can't make this to work. I really love this device. It has been accompanied in my uni time, and sorry that I couldn't show it in a working condition. I hope you still like the video. If you do, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.